A Boeing CH-47F Block 2 is planned to be introduced after A 2030, B 2015, C 2020, D 2025. The correct answer is 2020. The Boeing CH-47 is planned to be in service beyond A 2025, B 2030, C 2010, D 2060. The correct answer is 2060. The KC-46 has a service ceiling of feet A 37,000, B 32,500, C 45,000, D 40,100. The correct answer is 40,100. When did the USAF take delivery of the first KC-46? A 10th January 2019, B 10th January 2017, C 10th January 2013, D 10th January 2000. The correct answer is 10th January 2019. What is the service ceiling of the CH-47? A 35,000 feet, B 40,000 feet, C 25,000 feet, D 20,000 feet. The correct answer is 20,000 feet. Which of the following is not an operator of the KC-46? A. United States, B. Israel, C. Australia, D. Japan. The correct answer is Australia. Which of the following is not an operator of the Boeing CH-47 Chinook? A. Bolivia, B. Japan, C. Italy, D. India. The correct answer is Bolivia. The CH-47F is an upgraded version of the A. CH-47J, B. CH-47D, C. MH-47D, D. CH-47C. The correct answer is CH-47D. What is the full form of DAFCS? A. Digital Advanced Flight Control System, B. Direct Advanced Flight Control System, C. Digital Automatic Flight Control System, D. Direct Automatic Flight Control System. The correct answer is Digital Advanced Flight Control System. What is the maximum speed of the KC-46? A. Mach 0.86, B. Mach 0.086, C. Mach 8.6, D. Mach 86. The correct answer is Mach 0.86. Which of the following has in-flight refueling capability? A. CH-47B, B. CH-47A, C. MH-47D, D. CH-47J. The correct answer is MH-47D. Which of the following is similar to the MH-47E? A. CH-47G, B. MH-47G, C. CH-47F, D. CH-47. The correct answer is MH-47G. Which of the following provides the Common Avionics Architecture System for the Boeing CH-47? A. Rolls-Royce, B. BAE Systems, C. Rockwell Collins, D. BMW. The correct answer is Rockwell Collins. CH-47C Plus was the export version of the CH-47C Chinook for the British Army. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. The CH-47F can fly at speeds of over 200 mph. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. The CH-47 measures 98 feet 10 inches in length. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The CH-47D has advanced avionics. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.